All right, sorry about that, folks. It's been a while, and I don't know, it's been over a month now since the last part of this video. Actually, this is the last part of this video, so we're going to end it here. I just don't remember where I left off. So, anyway, let me show you what I've done. So the car's up, the transmission is out, but that's for another video. Here's the 727. She's all done up, valve body's in, it's painted, the torque converter is in place. I have a small bracket here, a little heavy duty, just holding the torque converter in place so it doesn't slide out as I go up. She's strapped in place, and the car needs to go up at least another 7 to 8 inches in order for me to slide this under there. I'm gonna have to use that jack stand, the pump jack with some blocks and try to at least lift this side of the car so I can slide it in this way and then let the car back down. All right, so I did use these levers from the 904 only because these are shorter, and the shifter in there, the shifter cable is adjusted according to this lever here. The ones that came with this are a lot longer, so I believe that changes geometry there, and I would have to go through the whole process of resetting the shifter cables, and I don't even know where that box is with the instructions, so I just swapped them out for these, and hopefully I can just put them in place and it'll be fine. If not, then I'll have to find a box. Anyway, she's ready to go in. I still need to get the dry shaft shortened, but I'm going to wait until it's all in place and then measure and take the dry shaft to the dry shaft guy and have him shorten it up for me. Other than that, there isn't much I can do here with this transmission anymore. The speedo, I'm going to leave it the way it is and order the proper I don't know, sprocket for this, because you can change them out so that I can get the speed correctly. So that would go by the size of the tire. I believe they're 26 inches, and then I have 323 in the diff. So I don't know, you give them those numbers and they give you the proper gear set for this, and it should read as close as possible to my actual speed. Anyway, what else is going on here? What can I say? Oh, here, let me show you this right here. So I purchased this fluid cooler, transmission cooler. This is a, what is this? Got a big M on it. I believe it's a Mitsumoto. Mishimoto, okay. And this one came with the built-in fan. So I put the brackets in there. It's nice and solid, so it's not gonna shake around. I got the other bracket down here, and then I made my own here just to hold it steady, and the wires are running through here. This may have to come back off and lengthen again, because I also plan on putting an oil cooler right here that looks just like this one without a fan. And I plan on putting that here for the oil itself. I'm not sure if I need it, but it can't hurt, right? We'll see. Anyway, what else is in here? Oh, the transmission lines. Of course, they are coming out. I know they're going to be difficult to come out, so I'm just going to chop them up and get them out of there. And here's the new transmission fluid hose. I'm going to need another. This is only 10 feet. That's not going to be enough, so I'm going to have to order some more. And this is what it came with. Can you imagine that? This right here? That's it. That's all I had. But whatever. It's in there. Let me see. What else can I say? Oh, let me show you the old transmission. Here's the old transmission. Oh, here's it. Okay, so these are the shift lever from the 727. I just put them on here so that I don't get lost. And then this stone shield, I guess they call it. It's not going to fit the 727, so I'll have to find one of these on eBay, or I'm not sure if they sell them new. I will find out. I do want to put this back on because I don't need debris going in there. And you can see how much shorter. It's shorter by like 3 inches. So I'm sure the dry shaft's going to have to get cut at least 3 inches. Anyway, folks, that's going to do it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm not sure what it's gonna be like, but it's been a while since I recorded the other few parts, and it's been maybe more than a month since I got to this part here. I'm a little tired because I was in here cleaning up, and it looks pretty clean. So I think I'm ready to put this in, but there's also a video of me removing the transmission, so we're going to add the installation of this to the removal of the original transmission. Anyway, folks, that's going to do it for me. Come back. Love to have you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again.